Mexican Quinoa Bake recipe. Our quinoa going and some of the ingredients are already chopped. We're going to add them all into the saute pan and make sure that we saute them well enough so that they are translucent and ready to go in the overall bake. First, we're going to wait for that oil to heat up and turn this down a little bit. You can toss the cover if you need to, if it's getting too hot. Now you can smell the oil heating up, so we're going to add your ingredients in. You should hear that sizzle. It means that the oil is the perfect temperature to start cooking the vegetables. Also going to toss in a cup of frozen corn, a little sweetness to everything. Want to make sure you get all your ingredients out. Don't waste any. And you stir it all together. And let it cook for a little while. You don't need to put a cover over it or anything. You want it to cook pretty fast. Make it down a little more. So now that your onions are fully translucent, you can see they are ready to go. So you want to set your temperature on your oven to 375, and then you want to cook it. Once we get there, we'll set a timer for 20 minutes.